Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of physics. Um, this is a class that you will definitely enjoy because its application to the real world all around you is amazing. There are mathematics used in this. There is real world applications in this. Um, it's fun to actually look at basketball and volleyball, two sports that I've coached in the past, to look at it as from a physics standpoint. I really like physics. My name's Dennis Decker, and I'm your physics teacher for this course. So physics, like I said, uses some math in it. Hopefully your math is up to date. We also will talk a little bit about how physics can work into computers a little bit, and maybe some of the research that you would like to do is how that will affect in the future computers and how that works. Especially we'll talk about momentum, things in motion, things that are stationary, and how they affect one another. This course has a title called Physics in the Universe. The reason for this is that DoDEA has chosen to put in the Earth Science component of the NGSS, the Next Generation Science Standards. Sorry, I had to look up to get that one. They decided to put the Earth Science into the other core sciences. So that means that you're going to have some Earth Science, this little thing here called the Earth, and our solar and how that plays in. We're going to talk about the tectonics, earthquakes, uh, continental drift, and Earth and the solar system within this course. So don't worry when you run into that. There's some physics to it, but we won't have to do any calculations to the physics of it. Um, Unless there's something that you really want to do. We can talk about that later. So last but not least, a little bit about me. I grew up in Southern California, as you can see down here. I went to BYU, Brigham Young University there in Provo, Utah. And once we finished there, earned my master's there, that we went to Japan. I took my family of my wife and my 4 children to mainland Japan, and we were there for 11 years. And then DoDEA transferred us over to Europe, and we lived in Europe. These two pictures here, this is right near our home. A trail in the wintertime was always fun. And of course, this is the Paris at nighttime, all lit up. We enjoyed our time in Europe. We were there for a while. And now we are stationed in Okinawa. And this is like living in paradise. It is wonderful to be there. I am very lucky and I feel blessed to be your teacher this year. Hopefully you will feel the same. Reach out on chat if you ever need anything. Your course is pretty well self-contained, and if you need assistance, please, please, please watch all your videos, because sometimes I'll actually send you back to the videos because they explain it even better than I could. Just stop it, rewind it, play it over again. If you don't get something, even after watching the videos, chat with me and we'll see if we can fix what your problem is. Have a great one.